How to customize Payhip Store. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize Payhip Store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to payhip.com. And if you haven't signed up for Payhip yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, from here, if you don't know Payhip, it is an e-commerce platform that enables creators, authors, and digital content sellers to easily sell and distribute digital products online, in which it is designed to be user-friendly and allows individuals to start selling digital goods with minimal setup and without the need for a dedicated website. And to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plan that you can avail by clicking this pricing option on the top panel, and you will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will show you some of the plan that they offer, including the free forever, plus, and the pro plan. And you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan. And in those options, I'm going to choose to sign up for free. So just click this button right here, and you will be directed on this page. And from here, to create an account, just enter your email address and generate your own password. And just click the Create Account button below to proceed. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which this is what the dashboard looks like of Payhip. And you will see here on the top panel some of the options that you can navigate, such as dashboard, products, store, analytics, and many more. And below here, you will see some of the things that you need to complete before customizing your store. And as you can see, I've already done adding my first product. And because of that, we can now move on to click this Customize Store Design button. Then just click Customize Design and you will be directed in here. And as you can see here on the right side panel of your store, it will show you some of the details and elements, including the name of your store, which is Passion Men, and some of the options on the top panel and below are the products and also about your store. While on the left side panel, you can see here that you can customize the header, the collection, about me, and other section. So let's start on the header. By simply clicking on it, you'll be able to see here that you can customize starting from store logo, navigation links, header settings, announcement bar, and elements. And now let's say we're going to start first under the navigation links. By clicking edit navigation links, it will show you here on the left side panel some of the options on the top panel. We have here shop and contact. And if you want to add more, just click add link. And on the pop-up window, just fill out the name and also the link of your navigation link. So under the name, I'm going to choose home. While under this link, I'm going to open link in new tab and I'm going to choose the home page. And after clicking on it, just proceed by clicking the add navigation link buttons below to proceed. And upon doing so, it will show you that the home page or the navigation links of home has now been added to your store. And by dragging this home page or any of this option, we can start arranging the position of the navigation links on the header section. And just click Save Changes to save the changes that you made. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate here or customize the store logo by clicking on it. From here, you can start uploading your own logo from your computer files, or you could also choose a free image that is offered for free on this Payhip. So in the search bar, I'm going to enter here men fashion. And below the result, just select the item or picture that you want to serve as your logo of your store. Then after clicking adding, it will show you that the picture has now been added as a logo of your store, in which on the left side panel, you can even customize the size of your logo from here, depending on your preferences. And now just click this button to save the changes. And aside from store logo, you could also customize here under the header section, the announcement bar, in which by simply clicking on it and just click show announcement bar by checking the boxes. Below here, you could simply add a text. And the announcement bar is this, the blue highlight on the top of our online store. So under the text on the left side panel, let's say I'm going to enter here, discount 20% off to all items this week. And under the link here, I'm going to select or choose the products, so that when the customers try to click the announcement bar, they will be directed on the product. And now, after saving the changes, Going back on the header section, from here you could also customize the elements and also the other header settings. And aside from header section, you could also customize here on the left side panel the collection section, in which by simply clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which on this left side panel you can simply customize the aspect ratio, show the price, number of columns on desktop, the spacing, and many more. And as you can see, as we choose an aspect ratio, the size of our product collection has also been changed. And if you also want to show a price, you can click yes, or if you don't want to, just click no. And aside from that, below here, you could also customize the number of columns on this desktop. You can choose either 5, 4, 3, or 2. And that is all based on your preferences. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you could also see some other options that you could navigate and customize, including the format, background, and color scheme, in which as you can see under the color scheme, you can choose a color for this section, or you could also customize some of those color. But I'm just going to choose this light gray color, and just click Save Changes on the top panel to save all of the changes that we just made. And aside from collection section, you can also navigate here on the left side panel, this About Me section. By clicking on it, it will show you on the left side panel some of the details that you could also customize, starting from the image, the heading, and other text. So under this heading, I'm just going to customize this. Instead of About Me, I'm going to make it About Fashion Men, since that is also the name of our online store. And below here are some of the description or context about your store. So you can basically input here the history about your store and some of the product that you offer. And if you scroll down below here, you can even change the background color, either to choose image or video, while under the settings you can even change the button, which as you can see, it is currently follow button. However, I'm just going to keep it that way, but under the color scheme, from here we can customize also the color of this section, and below the color scheme option, I'm just going to choose this black or dark option. Now moving on to the image, you can simply remove this image by clicking this button Remove, and by simply clicking Replace to change or upload a photo that you prefer. And now to save the changes, just click this button Save Changes on the top panel. And upon saving the changes, if we go back on this section right here, you can even add your own section by clicking this button, and all you need to do is to select a section, and you can even choose a style. We have here image with text, gallery, slideshow, image, text, basic list, slider list, featured product, and many more. So that is just how simple you can add a section under your online store. Now on the footer section, by clicking on it, you can even choose or customize the content of your footer section, in which from here you can choose the format and also the color scheme. And after changing or customizing everything from header section to footer section, in order to save the changes, just click the Publish button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that your store has now been published and also the changes that you made. And by clicking this Visit Your Store, you will be directed on this page. So that is just how you can customize Payhip Store. Thank you.